Welcome back to Racing Cars, your ultimate destination for the latest and greatest in the world of automobiles. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new, modern modified 2026 Toyota Voxy Hybrid, a futuristic ride that blends luxury, performance, and sustainability like never before. From the outside, the 2026 Voxy Hybrid flaunts a refreshed design that's sleek, bold, and unmistakably modern. The aggressive front fascia is enhanced with a larger gloss black grille, sharp LED headlamps, and sporty bumper designs, giving it an almost SUV-like presence on the road. Custom 18-inch alloy wheels and an aerodynamic body kit make this Voxy stand out in any crowd. Roof spoilers, tinted windows, and sleek body lines complete the aggressive look, transforming the family minivan into a premium showstopper. Under the hood, the Voxy Hybrid is powered by Toyota's latest 1.8-liter 2ZR-FXE engine combined with an upgraded hybrid system that delivers both power and efficiency. It produces around 97 horsepower from the engine and an additional boost from the electric motor, achieving an impressive 23.4 km/h. This modified version also includes a tuned suspension system, improving ride quality and handling. The E-Four all-wheel drive system ensures excellent grip, especially on slippery roads, making it a perfect vehicle for all conditions. Inside, the modifications take comfort to a whole new level. The cabin now features ultra-luxurious leather seats with power adjustment and memory functions. Ambient lighting, a 12.3-inch floating infotainment display with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and a full digital instrument cluster bring cutting-edge technology to your fingertips. Extra soundproofing and a high-end JBL audio system ensure a serene and immersive driving experience. Even the second and third rows have been upgraded with captain seats, USB ports, and climate controls, making every ride enjoyable for passengers. Safety hasn't been overlooked either. The 2026 Voxy includes Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 with adaptive cruise control, pre-collision assist, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree camera views. The new driver assist tech also includes lane tracing assist and traffic jam support, pushing the Voxy closer to semi-autonomous driving. With its stunning looks, upgraded components, and advanced hybrid tech, the 2026 modified Toyota Voxy Hybrid is no longer just a family car, it's a style statement on wheels. That's it for today's breakdown. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Racing Cars for more exciting car reviews and updates. Catch you in the next one.